Thinking about visiting Saudi Arabia for tourism, a short business trip, or to see family? Saudi Arabia now offers an online e-visa that makes the process fast and simple. The e-visa lets eligible travelers from around 49 countries apply online without going to an embassy or consulate. It is a multiple entry visa, valid for 1 year from the date of issue, and you can stay in Saudi Arabia for up to 90 days in total. To qualify, you should be 18 years or older. Travelers under 18 must be accompanied by an adult. Your trip must be for tourism, a short business visit, or a family gathering, and your passport must be valid for at least 6 months from your arrival date. You'll need a valid passport, a digital passport-size photo on a white background, a working email address to receive your e-visa. Before you start, keep this information ready: your full name, nationality, date of birth, contact number, travel plans, passport details, and email address. The application has 3 easy steps. Fill the online form carefully and choose a processing speed: standard, rush, or super rush. Pay the fee securely using a credit or debit card. Receive your e-visa by email, print a copy, and show it with your passport on arrival. Apply online, check your details, and enjoy a smooth start to your journey to Saudi Arabia.